Welcome. Today, we're going to guide you on how to disable automatic updates for the Instagram app on your Android device. Follow these steps to take control of your app updates and manage them according to your preferences. To begin, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Simply locate the Play Store icon on your device's home screen or in the app drawer and tap on it to launch the store. Next, tap on your profile icon, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. This action will open a drop-down menu displaying various options. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings menu for the Google Play Store, where you can customize different preferences related to app updates and other features. Within the Settings menu, find and tap on Network Preferences. This section allows you to adjust network-related settings for the Play Store and app updates. Lastly, within the Network Preferences menu, you'll find the option labeled Don't Auto-Update Apps. Select this option to disable automatic updates for all apps, including the Instagram app. By following these steps, you can effectively disable automatic updates for the Instagram app on your Android device. Taking control of your app updates gives you the flexibility to update apps manually and avoid unexpected changes. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you customize your app update settings to better suit your needs.